I've been painting my nails for years now, from whiteout and highlighters to the polish that never dries to building my nails with gel. Even after all those years of polish loving, there has been one thing that I've never done before, which is paint my toenails. So today I will be giving myself a pedicure. We will be entering the autumn months, so that means no to open-toe shoes and yellow to sneakers and boots. I absolutely hate having long nails with closed-toed shoes because it ends up getting like caught, and then I end up getting like a bruise under my nail. Like it's not a good time. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut the length of my nails down. If feet are something that you don't like looking at, you have a phobia or something, this is the time to leave, okay? My toes are super crusty, they're super dry. I've been standing in grass for a while, so okay, let's get started. Snip, snip, snip. My toenails are a bit ingrown, so I'm more careful around the inner corners. If your nails are like mine and you're nervous to cut the ingrown corners, don't worry, you can always just file those sections down later. That way you'll have more control and won't accidentally cut your toe meat. There's nothing more annoying than getting a hole in your sock because of sharp toenails that weren't filed properly. So you want to make sure to grab a hand file and round out the corners of your nails. Then we're going to grab our e-file to clean the cuticles and get rid of all the dead skin. I used the smallest bit I have in my e-file kit, pressed as lightly as I can because I wasn't trying to file my natural nail, just the dead skin around the cuticles. There was way more dead skin than I anticipated, so I just went inside to rinse my feet real quick, let it dry, then in we go with the dehydrator. This is a crucial step as it eliminates any excess oils that may be lingering on the surface of your nails, and it's made my gel polish on my hands last weeks before any signs of lifting, so I definitely recommend this step. I don't have any toe separators, so I grabbed some paper towel, rolled it up, then wedged it between my toes. Perfect. Now we're gonna go in with the base coat. Painting my toenails was a little weird, to be honest. I don't think I took into account how small my nail surfaces are, especially my pinky, so the gel just got all over my skin. I want to stick to this Barbie theme I have going on with my fingernails, so I'll be using this see-through pink polish with my small toes and white for my big toes. Again, the gel application on the small toes were a bit difficult, so I kind of dolloped a bit of the gel, then spread it out with a smaller brush. On to the big toe. Here you see me struggling once again to stay in the lines. If it floods over, no worries, just clean it up with paper towel and a brush. Okay, so here's where it gets weird. I wanted to put a little heart in the middle of my big toe, so I grabbed a little dotting tool, as that's usually how I draw little hearts with my makeup. But that wasn't working, so I grabbed a thin tip brush, but as I went in for the dip, I realized that the pink polish I put on the foil was all dried up. Like, is that normal? Is it because it's old? Or could it possibly be the UV light from being out in direct sunlight? Let me know in the comments below because I have no idea what's going on here. The same thing started to happen with my top coat, as the first couple of strokes were fine, but when I went over that section with a brush, it would clump like crazy. You can barely see it on the video, so that's nice, but in person, ugh, my big toe is hella bumpy. Remove that toe separator, place it on your other foot, then repeat all those steps. I honestly was a bit more sloppy with the application on this side. I'm gonna go in with a combination of a hand file and e-file to get all that cured polish off my skin. Brush the dust off, then add that jojoba oil to your cuticles. To prevent dry and cracked feet, I recommend using some foot lotion. Rub that in. Then you're done. I gotta say, from afar, they're pretty cute. But when you take a closer look, they're honestly not that great, but I think it's fine for a first attempt, I definitely recommend using a thin brush on your smaller toes, as the ones that come with the polish are way too big. Alrighty, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all next week. Bye!